Hi guys, good afternoon. I just woke up from my nap and sabi ko, what better way to start my dinner than to open up a pack of BINI and National Bookstores collab and the blind bag ng cable organizer. So, nilagyan ko na ng hula ko yung bawat packs ng cable organizer and acrylic clips because I want to test if I'm right. Because alam nyo ba guys, I've been doing this in every National Bookstore shops that I see. I try to feel like who the member is, and I wrote down my guess once I buy it kasi I want to know if I'm right in whenever I open these packs. And so without further ado, let's see if I'm right. Let's see if this is Gwen. Ayan. Guys, hindi ko siya binubuksan na. Unlike some branches. Nakakita natin ng branch na binubuksan nila yung packs. Tapos babalik nila. It's so annoying. Ooh. 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 I think I'm right. Because I saw the back of the rubber nung and I know this is her color, so harap ko na summer. So 3, 2, 1. Yay! I'm right! Good nga! Ooh! I'm right. I'm correct. So guys, ayan. My guess is right so far. So tingnan natin kung I'm gonna be right in the following videos. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!